What's up guys? My name is Greg. I'm going to be showing you how to build this $20 30-minute workbench. Let's get it! This is the material we're going to use for this build. This is the part of the video you want to pause and take a screenshot right now. Starting off, we need to build our 4 posts. For this, we are going to use the 900mm of pine timber. We need to fasten 2 of these pieces together, like this. I'm going to pre-drill all my holes and use a 10x75 chipboard screw. Let's go! Our 4 posts are completed, and now we're moving on to the next step. We're going to be fastening 2 posts together by using our 800mm of pine timber. And guys, please remember, always use a square. Let's go! I fastened my 2 posts together. Now we're moving on to the next step. You will see the only timber you have left is your longer pieces. We're going to use that to fasten our 2 posts together. Let's go! The frame is now completed. Now I'm going to install some caster wheels. Let's go! Our wheels has been installed. Let's put the MDF top on. Now you need to make sure that your MDF superwood top is sitting flush with your frame. Then I'm going to install my screws from the top. Pre-drill and make sure my screw is countersunk. If you want to make it look more neat, you can install your screws from the underside. In my case, I'm only using this bench as a backup. Let's go! And that's how you build a $20 30-minute workbench. Before you go, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the ring bell button.
A few moments later.